Everybody, so today I want to talk a little bit of Pyscript, this very interesting project here to put some Python code into HTML directly, like we do with JavaScript, and with just this text here, dash script, and then you can use the regular Python code. And as you can see here, there is written now you can, and then let's see how to do it. So you can go here, and if you don't want to install anything, you just have to copy this thing here, and you're gonna copy it. Let's open something new here. You see that I just have something that I made before, but let's start from scratch. Let's save this one as exercise number 3.html. So we will just save it as a normal HTML without using a server or something like this. So once you put this thing here, you can put this one into the header, and then into the body you can do the Pyscript okay. Inside here you can do print hello world, and let's just put some tag here, some tags like here, just let the HTML things etc. be. And so now let's see it into the browser, and now here it is, our hello world, and very easily. And I can also import something like OS and or like sys. This is a project from the guys from Anaconda, and it's still in release candidate, I think. So let's see, instead of a world, we want to do sys.version to see what version of Python we are using. And you see that it's version 3.10.2, and so it works. Important things. Now this is this has a repository somewhere. You see that you can follow it on Twitter, and here is the project. Yeah, so that is Pyscript/Pyscript, and can also download this, and into the Pyscript in the examples you can find some examples here, and you can even find, I think, a version of Mario, a game of Mario, very well done. And so there are many things you can do. You can also create a label with the style and color, let's say red, and with an ID equal, let's call it LB, and then you can do Pyscript.write and put LB here, and put this was made with Pyscript. And so you can run this, and you can see that you have this label in red here, as you can see here. So you can do many things. For the moment, that's all we are showing, just this little example. You can also include libraries and things like that with PyEnv. You can also use a REPL into it very easily, but we will see this in another video. So see you soon.